Happy Labor Day, everyone. Today, we come together to honor something truly remarkable, the power of work. Not just the jobs we do, but the effort, the sacrifice, and the dedication behind them. Labor Day isn't just a long weekend. It's a reminder that behind every achievement, every innovation, and every community that thrives, there are hardworking people who made it possible. Think about it. The homes we live in, the food on our tables, the roads we drive on, the technology we use every day, none of it would exist without the hands and minds of workers. From teachers and nurses to builders, farmers, small business owners, and everyone in between, it's your work that shapes our world. This day is about recognizing that work is more than a paycheck. It's about pride, resilience, and purpose. It's about the early mornings, the long hours, and the moments when you push through challenges to create a better future for yourself, your family, and your community. Labor Day is also about remembering that progress doesn't happen alone. Every great step forward in history was fueled by people who believed that together their work could create change. And today, in 2025, we're standing on the shoulders of those who fought for fairness, opportunity, and dignity in the workplace. So as we celebrate today, let's pause and appreciate not just our own efforts, but the efforts of those around us. Let's thank the coworkers who make our jobs easier, the mentors who guide us, the frontline workers who keep us safe, and the dreamers and doers who keep moving us forward. And if you're working hard toward a goal right now, know this: your effort matters. Every step you take, every hour you dedicate, is building something greater. It's easy to forget in the grind of everyday life, but today is your reminder that your work has value, and your contribution matters. As we head into the future, let's carry the spirit of Labor Day with us, honoring hard work, respecting each other's contributions, and building communities that value every individual's role. So here's to you, to the dreamers, the builders, the givers, the strivers. Happy Labor Day. May it remind us all that with work, with heart, and with unity, there's nothing we can't achieve together.